Good morning. This is Srini Daddy, the Bitcoin Daddy from Daddy Cryptos. Uh, good morning from sunny California. Today is Sunday, October 15th. And let's see what's going on in the cryptos space, especially Bitcoin. A lot of wonderful, exciting news. So today I'll change the format. We'll do a little outdoor and then I will go through the technicalities of the Bitcoin pricing and the trends. Okay, so enjoy the beautiful sunny California. Bitcoin has been on the upward trend, as you all know. So yesterday it hit its peak once again at 5845 or something like that. I was fortunate to follow it live as I was on my mobile looking at the pricing, and I was also able to sell a few bitcoins at that 5,840 mark, which was really good. But then later on, I think overnight it dipped down and it touched 5440 or 5445. We'll look at that more in detail in a moment. So it's when I last looked at it, it's back to 5680 or something like that, close to 5,700. So it's between the, I think it's near this 5758 range, which is extremely good, considering the lows it was in mid of September. It touched 3,100. So if you were able to get in at that point, more or less you have doubled your money. But then very few are able to do that, because when there is sell-off, then there's panic and there's more sell-off. Very few people can really buy at the lows and sell at the highs. In theory, yes, but in practice, I think the emotions come into play, and you end up selling off when there is sell-off, and you end up buying when there is great movement, upward trend. Okay, you learn from doing multiple trades, and you need to have patience in either buying or selling, and not let emotions play into trading, especially if you're trading bitcoins. Okay, because it's very extremely volatile, and the payoffs are high only if you're able to keep your emotions low, rather in check, not panic, have patience, and a stable state of mind, right? Yesterday Litecoin was also really doing well. I think the day started with around 58 or so, and it ended up around 68. So $10 for Litecoin is pretty big, close to 16-17%. Again, we'll cover the technical aspects in a moment when I get to the computer. Okay, what's in the trend? There could be a slight pullback on Bitcoin price. I mean, it may be around this 5655 range for maybe a day or two, like today or tomorrow, but then I'm sure it'll zoom back up and cross the 6,000 pretty soon. The upward trend is there. It grew up very rapidly yesterday, so it took a little sell-off because there was profit making yesterday, especially when in the US we were all sleeping. Maybe in China overnight, I think around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock US time, when there was some sell-off. So that tells me that the Asian markets were selling off and taking some profit. Good morning, my Bitcoin friends. This is Bitcoin Daddy from Daddy Cryptos. Today is Sunday, October 15th. Today, let's look at how the cryptos are doing today, especially Bitcoin. There's been a lot of exciting news. So I'm at my page, daddycrypto.com. It's been updated today with the latest. So I'm going through the page, so my contact information in case you need to reach out for any personal and private advice. My BTC wallet, if you like something, feel free to donate. So today's Bitcoin, right now, about 5 minutes back, it's at 5555, down from the highs of 5840 yesterday evening. So as you can see, around midnight there was a big drop from 5800 all the way to 5600, $200 drop, and then again from 5600 all the way to close to 5450. Okay, and it's made some headways in the morning, regaining about $100. So around 4 fives right now. Okay. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin also had a big dip. Again, as you all know, altcoins follow Bitcoin. Same time, Litecoin from 68 all the way to 65, big drop, and then to 62.63 or so. Right now it's around 64.42. Okay. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum also had similar trends. Right now at 333, it dropped from 340 all the way around the midnight 1 o'clock time frame to 322 before regaining this morning to 333. Coincidence that Bitcoin is at 455 and Ethereum at 33s. Okay, so let's look at what's the news for today, what's going on in the media. So Bitcoin pricing, this article in CoinDesk says that the upcoming fork, 2x fork, is boosting its price. Some experts of Bitcoin think that Bitcoin has only reached 1% of the potential. So Cointelegraph says that it has long ways to go. So they think that it will go up tremendously in future. Interesting, Julian Assange talks about how Bitcoin has been